What's going on, everyone? Honda Fit for Adventure here, and we're back with another viewer request.
I have the same Honda Fit model and I'm having wiper blade issues. It says 30 amp is the fuse for wipers, but just like your fuse box, there isn't a 30 amp fuse. Any explanation to this? Thanks.
After reading this comment, I had to go and check it out for myself. They are correct. There is a spot for a 30 amp wiper fuse in the engine bay fuse box, but there is no fuse that is present. This is because the wiper motor fuse is located underneath the dashboard. I'm assuming the fuse box located in the engine bay was used in another Honda vehicle and just repurposed into the Honda Fit. The fuse you are looking for is in fuse box B, which is the secondary fuse box underneath the dashboard. You'll recognize it by the cover, which has a wiper 30 amp label on the bottom right corner. Go ahead and replace the fuse, and your wipers should be good to go. If the fuse is still intact or replacing it doesn't solve the problem, the wiper motor itself may be the issue and you might need to replace it. That will be another video for another day, so until then, stay tuned and stay fit.